them through on there for me, thank you.
If you know the answer, shout it out. That's right. Iggle, Piggle, Iggle, Ponk. We're going to catch the Ninky Nonk. Oh no, it's the Ninky Nonk. Catch the Ninky Nonk. What's that? Can you hear the noise? I wonder what it is. If you know the answer, shout it out. That's right. It's the Pinky Ponk. Here is a house. Whose house is this? And are they in or are they out? It's the Tombliboos. How many can you see? Tombliboo, knock on the door. Tombliboo, sit on the floor. Tombliboo, here is my nose. Tombliboo, that's how it goes. Here. It's the Hahoos. Hahoo! Can you say it? Hahoo! The Hahoos. Song. Who's here? It's Makka Pakka's cave. Is he in? Yes. Hello, Makka Pakka. Are you clap at your hands today? Can we clap with you? Ready? Makka Pakka, akka waka, mika maka moo. Makka Pakka, appa yaka, ika akka oo. Hum dum, akka pang, ing ang oo. Makka Pakka, akka waka, mika maka moo. Who's here? It's Upsy Daisy. Hello, Upsy Daisy. Upsy Daisy, here I come. I'm the only Upsy one. I'm the only Daisy too. Ipsy, Upsy Daisy do. Are you blowing kisses, Upsy Daisy? Let's blow kisses to Upsy Daisy. Bye-bye, Upsy Daisy. See you later, I'm sure. It's the Pontipines. All together, off we'll go. It's Iggle Piggle. Yes, my name is Iggle Piggle. Iggle Piggle, wiggle, nickle, diggle. Yes, my name is Iggle Piggle. Iggle Piggle, nickle, wiggle, woo. Look, there are all of Iggle Piggle's friends. Goodbye, Hahoos. Goodbye, Pontipines. Goodbye, Tombliboos. Goodbye, Makka Pakka. Goodbye, Upsy Daisy. Goodbye, Iggle Piggle. It's time for us to go.